Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, and never miss an update.
Hi there, this is me, the dog from down the road. I was born here in this exact street. My environment was not the best suited for a dog, but I survived. I survived the scorching summer afternoons without a drop of water, the wild stormy evenings that flooded my corner, and the biting winter winds that froze my nights. I survived ailments that weakened me and accidents that crippled me, and yet here I am, standing my ground 9 years later, on the same street, the street I call home. When I bark at you walking down your groomed foreign gates, it is merely to protect this home.
Indies are strong and territorial, making them excellent guard dogs. Also, for obvious reasons, Indies thrives in Indian climatic condition better than any other foreign breed that ever will. Their build is best suited to the Indian climate and thus does not require costly artificially conditioned environment.
You say I am ugly, yet my skinny body, sparkless eyes, drooping tail, and skirts only speak of your treatment of me.
Indies are beautiful. Westernized beauty standards veil our perception not only in the case of humans but also in the case of animals. Let us open our hearts and recognize our natives, humans and animals alike.
You bring in breeds from all over the world and give them a place in your home, in your heart. Yet you don't blink an eye before calling us pests for living rightfully in our own homes. You don't think twice before shooing us away from our place of birth.
A lot of people have preferences for particular dog breeds, while they're free to care for any dog breeds within the four walls of their home. It is an ardent request not to shoo away the Indian dog breeds from the streets that are rightfully theirs.
A few other perks. Regular maintenance and grooming of the foreign breeds not only incur a lot of expense but are also time consuming. Indies whereas come already groomed by the best groomer, Mother Nature, with a lifelong subscription and free of cost. With a strong developed immune system, health expenses regarding the Indies are kept to the minimum.
Not to mention the added bonus. Maintenance costs reduced up to 4 times now mean you can actually have 4 dogs instead of just one.
Let us meet a few happily adopted Indies.
Hi everybody, my name is Anurag Kashyap. I live in Kalyani, India. I am a BA graduate. Today I am going to tell you about my pet, who is an Indian breed, popularly known as Indian Pariya, but most of the people call them street dogs. So friends, meet Mogembo. So Mogembo was born on the streets. Basically, it's beside the Gattajam side, and the place was quite not healthy and not safe for them because it's a very busy area because it's a market actually. Their only source of food was from the garbage, which is not good, obviously not healthy, and could kill or make any animal sick. Survival in that area was a big challenge for Mogembo's mother and her pups. Godwin Cause organization went to treat another dog who was injured and came to see him and other pups. They decided to give the pups adopted, hence they picked up Mogembo and checked him by weight. Later we contacted the organization and showed our interest to adopt him. It is a noble thing to rescue an animal and adopt rather than spend huge amount of money to satisfy the society we live in.
Hello everyone, my name is Scarlett. I am from Ranaghat and by profession I am a teacher. I hope you are all doing well. So I am going to talk about this little guy. Her name is Donut and she is an indie breed. One day I found her on a street near my house and I heard that her mother was dead. So I decided to take her home. I didn't think much, but trust me, she totally changed my life. Actually, I didn't rescue her, she rescued me. Do you know, there is no dog breed called street dogs. We don't let them be in our home, so they are homeless. That's why they live on streets. Maybe you are here to buy a Labrador from a breed center. That's nice. But if you go and visit the cute little puppy's mother's condition, you will be shocked. And then you will know that why we say don't buy, adopt. There are a lot of dogs who die of hunger, cold, accidents and cruelty of humans. So we can't change the society, but at least we all can adopt one indie dog. She is living in my home almost for 7 months and she is very fit and healthy. She is properly vaccinated and got spayed. We feed her boiled chicken and rice twice a day as lunch and dinner, and for breakfast she has dog biscuits, and it costs not more than 1200 per month. Indie dogs have a great immune system, so they don't need to visit vet every now and then. Like other dog breeds, these dogs are very good pets. They are loyal to their family and love their family unconditionally. They are great guard dogs and they are easily trainable. So next time, don't let anyone to buy a dog. Tell them to adopt a indie pup. Bye-bye.